Tuesday, October 21st. And picking up the kids. Trying to catch them. They're playing way over there in the corner, parking the bikes. Go get your jacket. Go get your jacket. Good job.
No, you said you were going to run right up. You said you were going to run right up.
What do you say?
We have a deal.
What do you say? What do you say, Layla? Say bye-bye. All right. Let's go get Leah. Leah. Are you excited? Let's go get your bag. Go look in your cubby. What you did? I have to pick up. I have to get your bag today. Look at your bag. What do we have in here? You want to hold this for me?
No.
Uh-oh. Somebody is not happy. This little girl right here is upset. Are you upset about what? Pick up, please. Okay. It is. What happened? Is this yours? Yeah, that's yours too. You made this?
No, I didn't make it.
You didn't make it? Who made it? I see your name on the corner. You made it? It dried, so it probably looks different.
All right, get all your stuff. Can you carry this? Take up, please. Take up, please.
Come on.
Take up, please.
Look at there.
All right, can you come into that box?
You see the fish? You have to ask Miss Pat. Ask Miss Pat. All right. Oh, shaving cream on the animals. Did you give the animals a bath? Right here? Right here? What did you do?
Dirty.
They're dirty now? You were playing with shaving cream. That's what that is. All right. You have to ask? You do?
No.
Okay, well, I guess you can't have it. You want to go? Oh. You have to go ask?
No.
No. What is that face?
You must go to bed.
What is that face?
Oh, what's that happy girl at?
You want to see yourself? Look. You see them?
No.
Oh. You want me to turn it off? Don't you want to see yourself?
No.
You don't? You want to go get goldfish?
Yeah.
Okay, go get them. Good job.
Nice and warm.
What do you say?
Thank you. You're welcome.
See you tomorrow.
You're welcome.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
All right. I know. You are a mess. Be careful. Okay, it's okay. The birds will get those. You still have a lot. What? Okay.
she thought she was going to get to the game.
How about we go through the door?
Let's go through the door, Layla, so I can sign y'all out.
Mom, let's talk about and look at that blue thing.
I see that holds the equipment. Yeah, the birds will eat it. Okay, come on. We need to go inside. Let's go sign out. Over there too.
Mom, don't forget me to helmet.
Over here. Say bye-bye.
Always see the video.
Yeah. You want to see the video? Okay, hold on. They're probably pretty bored with me now, huh? Alright, let's go bye-bye. That's the door. Okay, let's leave the purple building. Draw? Alright. Let's see. There's the menu for today. Yogurt and granola and berries. Breakfast, pita pocket with avocado,
No, we didn't have
tomato and cucumber.
berries.
You didn't have berries today? Tomorrow's bagel day. Soy nut butter, cream cheese. Cool. Veggie wraps. Slow down. Slow down, Leah.
Y'all said I'm not going to give you some of my goldfish.
You don't want to share with her? And she always takes your snack?
Yes, if you always take mine.
Come on. Hold on, Leah. Stay by the car. Good job. Come on. Get to the car. Get in. Not the license plate. Because this person lies. Come on. Into this messy car.
But there's your other goldfish.
Hi, Ty.
It comes off. Mama, I want to pass it.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. And that comes off.
Put your buckle on. So I can. So you can finish. You're too heavy.
Yeah, I said to my goldfish.
Leah. Here. Hold on.
Yeah, I did say to my goldfish. I put that
Well, I still have to go back. Because I bought other things. That's why I didn't get goldfish.
Just still go to the school bus.
Yeah.
And so he goes to the city bus. I know. I can go to the marching band.
You want to go to the marching band?
Yeah.
Like Jasmine?
Yeah.
Where's Jasmine?
At college.
At what state?
College.
What state?
United States.
United States. Okay. At North America? Yeah.
North Carolina.
Good job, Tony. North Carolina. She's at college in the United States in North America. Yes? Yes, she woke
Stop
up.
putting your foot in your mouth. That is gross.
I'll have a foot thing. You want to give her a goldfish?
Mom, I can't eat goldfish.
She can eat it. I can watch her. Here.
Hey, Olivia, can I have some?
I think your clip is crooked or something. There.
You
Eat
like
your
multiple
snack.
goldfish cups of Aaliyah's right there
She
and then
won't-
one over there.
She won't eat them. She only eats them some days. Yeah, I need to clean it out. Babe. Oh, yucky. Are we leaving now? We need to go to the store and get some gas as well. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be back tomorrow. See how bright and pretty it is out here. Very bright.